look bald-headed. Hey guys, it's your girl Zoe and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this hair that I did the unboxing on and just doing a quick little makeup look to go so that I look cute with my new hair. I'm going to take some Mario Badis. This is about to be a voiceover because I need to hurry up. This ain't about my makeup, but y'all can watch me. So what I did to my hair was I did 2 braids and then I folded them upwards and I pinned them in place and then I put the wig cap on. Basically, I need my got to be gel. I don't use got to be spray, but let's just put on this wig. This is the cutie hair wig that I did the unboxing on. I like her because she got lace on the front and on the back. So I could wear her in a ponytail though. Yes. So I don't know how people put on wigs, but I usually just like I'll turn it inside out. I don't know, that's just me. I turn it inside out like this, and then I take the back comb and I put it directly into the back of my head. Then I basically just like pull. I grab the 2 side combs. I pull, and then I use the 2 side combs and put those into my hair as well. Actually, I'm not even gonna use the 2 side combs right now, but I would, if I was going somewhere, I would put the 2 side combs into my underneath the cap. And I have a very teeny tiny head, so wait till I flip it over. So this wig come up to my temple. So basically what I'm gonna do is, now she's on, she is long. She is a 24-inch cutie hair and she cute. So what I'm gonna do is take my comb. Well, this girl long. Taking my comb and I'm just combing the hair out my face so that I can, and she comes pre-plucked. Got edges already, baby hairs. So oops, I'm just trying to get this out the way. Okay, so now just I can't even see with this thing on my face. All right. So, just take the hair, take it out of your face. Yeah, so now, I can't see nothing. Ooh, I think I need to push this wig cap a little bit back. She's a little too up. Alright, so basically, I'm gonna just, there we go. Put the wig cap, I'm not gonna like I know what I'm doing. Put the wig cap like directly in front of your hair. So like my hair stops right here. I put the wig cap directly up in front of it. So my hair stops right here. So basically when you put the gel, it's not gonna seep into your edges. You know where to put it. So yeah, that's just what I did. Alright, so now pull it all the way back up. What is going on? Oh. I don't know what is going on. There's a comb right here as well. So like, if you don't wear a wig cap and you just have your hair braided down underneath, you can dig that comb into your hair. So now, basically what I need to do is, I think I need to push the wig cap again back. The thing I like about this wig is that I have a little head and it actually still fits my hair. So what I need to do is just cut my lace. My ear is so big. So yeah. So I cut the lace. I didn't cut too much, just in case, like, because I still have to pluck and stuff. So this is how it came. It came with baby hairs, but to me they look like bangs. Being that I can't pluck it yet, I'm gonna put her like in a half up, half down type of thing, you know. Then I'm gonna lay her. This is the original one that I've used, and this used to work good for me until I found this one. So this is the Got to Be Ultra Glued, and it's the Invincible Styling Gel. So what I use this, I used to use this as my glue, now I use this as my edge. So this is the Got to Be Glued Styling Spiking Glue, and this one is water resistant. I'm just gonna put this back real quick. I'm gonna use this side, this little spatula side, to scoop up the gel and apply it around my hairline. I don't want this getting in my hair, on my edges. I want it like to my forehead. This feels so weird. I don't have any makeup on my forehead for the sole purpose of it. Now I'm gonna just let that get tacky. I smell good, like, this stuff smells amazing. I love the way it got to be smelled. That's how I do that. And there we go. I'm gonna get my flat iron turned on and I'll be right back. So, apparently I need to invest in a wig head because this took forever, and since my flat iron is broken, it didn't really straighten all the way, but it did get very, very staticky. It's not the wig, it's my flat iron. My flat iron broke. I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not gonna lay her down like all the way like how I would if I was to be going out. I just wanted to show y'all how she looks, and she's very like natural. Like everyone who sees me with her says she looks real, like she looks like real hair. Unplugged. I didn't pluck anything. All I did was cut the lace. As you can see, the lace is very transparent. You can see my wig cap underneath because I didn't put it right. But if you guys lay your wig cap right and you melt it into your skin, because like I didn't, like I said, I'm not going nowhere, so I didn't melt my wig cap into my skin. I just wanted to show you guys the wig fresh out the box. She looks like she's growing out my head. And the hair is so soft. Like, this is my first time working with this company. The hair is really, really good. The wig is thick and I like her. I think she's a great wig. I also wanted to show y'all, excuse my lace that's lifting because I didn't lay it right. But I just wanted to show you guys that this wig can be put up into a bun or into a ponytail. The bottom is lace. This is how it looks. Just all I did was turn it upside down and put it up into a bun. This is how it looks. Cause I know how I am. Like I like long hair for like a minimum of time. So this wig is good for girls like me who aren't used to having long hair but like the look of long hair. So yeah, the wig is very natural. Like, all I did was turn it upside down. I mean, honestly, me, I don't care if someone be like, "Sis, you wearing a wig?" I'm be like, "Yeah," but this is very discreet. Like, if you lay this right, this wig is popping. This wig is popping. The link will be in the description for those of you who would like to try it on. She's soft, long, thick, and versatile. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Stay tuned for more coming soon. I love you guys. Bye.